Hey guys, and welcome to New England Gardener, where we talk about everything gardening. Today we are planting our first fruit trees. Those trees are, drum roll please, and you guessed it, an apple tree. I will be giving you step-by-step instructions on how to plant your fruit trees. So although I am only planting an apple tree, that doesn't really matter. It actually works the same for every single type of tree, like pear, cherry, peach, any of the very common ones. So here are those instructions. When you get your plants, you would want to look through this packing slip here, and it has directions on how to plant it and what you need to do, and very common mistakes that are made. So here we are with our box from the Tai Nursery. I'm just gonna start opening it now. So this is what they look like out of the box. You know, they're about stomach level. They got this protective coating around the roots. You probably gotta take that off pretty quickly. Be super careful when you're taking it out now, so you don't break up any of the roots since they're like so tight in there, and so it's smooth. Alright, so now I'm just going to start digging the holes here, and you want the holes to be about double the width of the roots and just about as deep as the roots go, because you're going to be building a little mound around the plant, so you don't really need to dig that deep. So I'm going to be taking one of these apple trees here. As you can see, it's already started to bud. And I'm going to be putting into this hole here. So I'm just going to try to, without touching it too much, set the roots down so that every single root is below soil level. And then I'm going to have a second person come and help to bury all the roots in, so that I can have it upright and have all the soil back in. Alright, so you're going to want to get some compost and put the compost on top of the dirt so that it has a bit of nutrients so it can start growing the roots higher. You want to pat down the dirt a little bit. Now I don't want you to like put all your weight on it and like kill all the roots and like break them all, but you would want to put like 10-20 pounds of pressure on it. That's to make sure you got all the roots down so that when it rains it doesn't sink down and you have all your roots exposed. That's how you plant your fruit trees. Those are your step-by-step instructions. It's really not that hard, and you're bound to get something within a few decades. So, hope you enjoyed watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. But before you do that, remember the two most important takeaways from this video, which are to make sure you don't dig your hole for your tree too deep so that the stem doesn't get covered, and to make sure that you dig it twice as wide so that the roots have plenty of space. Okay, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye.